Shri Raghavendraya Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi friends, welcome to Jyotish Research. I am Ashish Desai. Today we are going to start a new video series. In this we will be discussing the influence of the strong planets on your personality. If a planet is very strong in horoscope, if it is exalted, if it is connected with the lagna, then the traits of that planet will be there in your personality, will be there in your temperament, will be there in your nature. So we will try to analyze those traits and see what kind of strong planet, what kind of traits a strong planet can give you in your personality. So let us begin with Sun. I will be covering each planet one by one, but today we are starting with the Sun. As you all know, Sun is a self-illuminated star. He does not need light from anyone. He is the source of light for everyone. So it means that the people having a strong Sun are very much self-reliant, very much independent, very much confident, self-confident. You will see that people who have a strong Sun are the source of light for everyone. They like to help everyone. They like to work for everyone. They like to work in the interest of everyone. They will be great providers. They can be great fathers. They can be great friends. They can be great leaders. So in this way they will be always helping the society in some or the other manner, because they believe in giving, they believe in leadership, they believe in self-reliant, they believe in being independent, they believe in freedom. So these people, you will see that they will always aim for the top position, they will always aim to be at the top level in the life. They will be very ambitious, they will always strive to achieve the best in their life. So in this way, a strong Sun makes the person very much freedom lover, very much self-independent, very much reliant, and very much self-confident. The another trait is this: people will be pretty principled, pretty disciplined in their life. They will cultivate some habits which will remain with them lifelong. They have certain principles imbibed in their psyche. It is not that they try to cultivate, it is there in their psyche since the birth. Suppose if someone likes to wake up at 6 a.m., he will be pretty adamant and disciplined about that habit. He will have this habit right from birth to death. He will never try to change this habit. He will not like if anybody else tries to change this habit. So people with strong Sun have certain principles, certain rules about themselves, and they like to stick to it. They do not love changes. They love a routine. They are a pretty routine people. They like to get up at 6 a.m. They will start reading the newspaper at a particular time. They will have breakfast at a particular time. They will start working at a particular time. They will have a particular dress code which they will always adhere to. So there are things which they have fixated in their life. Their purpose is fixed, their aim is fixed, their schedule is fixed. So in this way they have a pretty fixed approach towards life, towards working, towards everything. So people with strong Sun will have these traits prominently. If the Sun is exalted in your horoscope in the lagna, you will find that you have these traits prominently. These people are very ambitious. They love to be recognized, they love to be the center of attraction. So wherever they go, they will try to be the center of attraction. They will try to initiate all the big task or any work by themselves. They will not wait for the other people to take the initiative. They are themselves a very strong leader, and they will always try to be the center of attraction of any activity, of any area, of any organization. It is in their blood, it is in their psyche, it is in their personality. So these are some traits of a strong Sun. If the Sun is strong in your horoscope, especially if it is posited in lagna, and you can analyze that if Sun is there in fiery signs, it is much stronger than it is in watery signs or airy signs or earthy signs. So these traits will be more applicable if the Sun is there in fiery signs in your horoscope, closely related to the lagna. If it is exalted, then the traits can be there prominently. So in this way, if Sun is strong in the horoscope, people will display this kind of traits. One more trait, or one more bad trait in these people, is that they are very egoistic. If they get hurt, they can go to any level to take revenge. So people with a strong sun can get humiliated or hurt very quickly. You have to be very careful not to hurt them. In the earlier days, like the kings, if they used to get hurt, they could sentence you to death. So if these people are in power and you hurt them, then they will make sure that you get the strongest punishment from them. So people with a strong sun are very much emotional about their status, about their prestige, about their reputation. So I hope you like this video and you got to learn something. You can just tell me in the comments if you find these traits in you, if you have a strong sun in the horoscope. Thank you very much. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.